Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you through my stocks and shares portfolio. So currently I'm using the broker Freetrade. I chose this one because I was just researching them and it's the one that I thought looked the best. If I was to go back and do more research, I would probably have chosen Trading 212 because I just think that it's a bit simpler to use with the investment pies and things like that. So as you can see, I have invested £546.15 altogether. So as you can see, I started, I made the account on when around the mid-January really, and I got my free share around, I got my free share like around here I think, and then as time's got on, I've just got a lot more interested in investing. So I think here I had £150 invested on the 18th of September, and it was at the end of September I really got more interested and I decided to invest 40% of everything I make in a week. So that's when I started getting serious, and it's only been very recently that I've actually gone positive with my stocks and shares again. The whole throughout of the lockdown period I have been down. So in this video I'm just going to show you around my portfolio really. So we'll go with the first one. So this is a global iShares Global Clean Energy, and it's just like it's a collection of all the different clean energy companies just put into one like fund. So originally, as you can see here, I bought one share for £6.83, and then I bought six more. So that brings the average price to £7.55 a share. And altogether I've made £6.50 off this share. So it's looking quite good because I think clean energy is definitely the future. So I don't see why this should actually stop growing really. And as you can see today, the when the market opened, it was quite a big drop, but then luckily at around 2:30 when the US market opened, it shot up. I'm not sure for that reason. So that's probably one of my favourite shares. I'm going to keep putting money into that. So here we have Delta Airlines. I bought this one 12th of June, so it's when we're in the 12th, just after like the lowest point in the stock market with the coronavirus pandemic, and I thought this is a very big US airline and I really don't think will go bankrupt. So while it's at a cheap price, I should probably buy it. So as you can see here, it's at like $50 something like that, and it's at 30 at the moment. I got two shares, so I could make $20 each profit really, which would be really good. So as you can see, it's only just really gone positive today actually, which is good. As you can see from this graph here, it has been quite high, but it went back down low again. So I bought these four shares, so Facebook, Apple, Microsoft and Disney. So I put around £50 into each of these companies because I just think they're big companies that are going to continue growing throughout like the future really. I don't see them going down in value at all because that would be probably a big event would need to happen. So as you can see, my Facebook share, I only have basically 25% of one share, so it's not much at all. I'm up 21 pence, but as you can see today, it is going down, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with this one really. Yeah, on to the next share. So actually, I just bought this today. It was so the S&P 500 was at quite a dip today. As you can see, it's been 40, so it's gone down at least 50 pence, which is quite big, and then it's gone down £1.59 in the last month. This is definitely a share which I want to be buying more of because it's got a good return. Like as the years go on and as time goes on, it does have a good return. So Microsoft and Disney and Apple, they're all here. They seem to be down at the moment as well, so I'm not entirely sure why. But we'll hold on to them and they should go back up. So National Express, this was one of this. I bought this and it went down basically. So as you can see, my current average share price is £1.82, and Yeah, so I bought it around this time here, start of July, and it's just gone down since then. So I'm hoping, I'm currently down £8.81, so I'm hoping over time this will start to increase again. Because if every share goes up £3 a share, that's like £90 profit really. So that will be really good. So I'm just hoping that one goes up really. Nordstrom, I got this. So this is it's a US online like clothes retailer. I only bought it today, so I bought 4 shares, 4.251 shares. I actually decided to buy this one because the financial education channel on YouTube called Jeremy, he does really good videos and he's put lots of money into this. I did some research and there's a slight chance they could go bankrupt, but as Q4 is now, we're now in Q4, we should be starting to see like increase in sales in retail shops going up to Christmas. So this one I really think will increase, and it is currently down to the same share price levels as it was in 2008, and it recovered from that. So hopefully it will recover as well. So here we have Ceres. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. This is my biggest investment gain of 38.31%. So as you can see, go to the description. It's a fuel cell technology firm. And again, I just think that clean energy is the future. So I've been trying to buy as many of these as I can really, in the hope that it'll go up. And I don't see why it shouldn't. So £9.03. It's not the most money I've made, but as you can see, it is the biggest percentage again. This one, I'm not sure. I think it's at its highest ever point now. So I think I'm just going to keep putting a small amount in every week and see where that goes. And here we have one share of the FTSE 100. I just think it's a good share to have as it helps diversify my portfolio and stuff like that. So here we have Hemogenics Pharma. So this is actually a pharmaceutical share, and obviously it is very cheap. It's only 9p a share. But as you can see, I am down £1.52, which isn't too good. So I have 247 shares in this company, and the reason I bought it is because I think it has a lot of potential. As some of the companies it works with apparently have the cure to, or some medication that helps cancer or something like that. And if they get given the license to sell it, it could really increase the share price. Here we have Carnival. This is definitely the biggest percentage loss. So I bought these around the same time I bought Delta mid-June, and I really didn't see it going down from there, to be honest. So I must have bought it at its peak really. Not a good idea, or don't do that, guys. So it is a cruise ship company that has lots of different cruise ships. So basically it's like owned by the Saudis, so they have lots of money, and it's very big cruise ship company. So I don't see it going under at all. So this one is definitely going to be a few years probably until it recovers all the way back to the full price of £32, but hopefully it makes the money back. So thank you everyone. If you want to have a quick look at my diversification, really, here it is here. And I'm up 3.22% since March. That's one thing I also don't like that much about Freetrade. It doesn't show you the percentage gain. I would love to see that. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you have a great day, and remember, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions or anything you want me to go through on Freetrade or Trading 212, just let me know and I'll do a video on that as soon as possible. Thanks everyone, I'll see you in the next video.